The Vello Sub Titan is a groundbreaking cargo e-bike that redefines the standards of compactness and lightweight appearance in the electric cargo bike market. Crafted with a titanium frame, this innovative bike not only stands out for its durability, but also for being one of the lightest cargo e-bikes available. The decision to use titanium instead of aluminum contributes significantly to the bike's reduced weight without compromising on strength. Developed with versatility in mind, the Vello Sub Titan comes in 4 different versions to cater to various preferences and needs. Despite its lightweight construction, this cargo e-bike boasts an impressive load-carrying capacity of up to 210 kilograms. This makes it an ideal choice for transporting goods or even accommodating 2 child seats on its luggage rack, in addition to carrying up to 100 kilograms of cargo. The Vello Sub Titan offers flexibility in terms of gearing, allowing customers to choose between a single-speed model and one featuring the continuous Enviolo TR circuit. The cargo e-bike is powered by a Bosch Performance Cargo Line CX motor, which is paired with a 400 Wh battery. For those seeking extended range, the battery is expandable to 545 Wh. This combination of motor and battery ensures a reliable and efficient ride. Measuring just 71 inches in length, the Vello Sub Titan is developed for easy handling and parking, making it suitable for urban environments. The 20-inch 12 Big Apple tires contribute to a comfortable ride, and the bike's low center of gravity minimizes the risk of tipping over during transit. Safety is a top priority in the Vello Sub Titan's appearance. The bike is equipped with supernova front and rear lights, providing excellent visibility during nighttime rides. Mudguards come standard, offering protection against splashes and ensuring a cleaner ride. The inclusion of a 2-legged stand and a bell adds convenience to the overall user experience. One of the standout features of the Vello Sub Titan is its integration with the Bosch Smart System, enabling users to control the bike through a dedicated mobile app. This connectivity enhances the overall riding experience, allowing for customization and monitoring of various aspects of the cargo e-bike. The Vello Sub Titan cargo e-bike is not just a feat in engineering and appearance, it also offers a compelling value proposition for riders looking to invest in a top-tier electric cargo bike. Priced starting from around 6,500 euros or $7,000 for the single-motor model in Europe, this cargo e-bike presents an attractive option for those seeking a versatile and lightweight solution for their urban commuting or cargo carrying needs. For riders who prefer the added flexibility of gears, the model with the continuous Enviolo TR circuit is available at a slightly higher price of 7,500 euros or $8,080. This variation caters to those who require a broader range of gearing options, providing a customized experience for different terrains and riding preferences. In summary, the Vello Sub Titan sets a new benchmark for compact and lightweight cargo e-bikes, with its titanium frame, impressive load capacity, and thoughtful appearance features. Whether for urban commuting, family transportation, or cargo hauling, the Vello Sub Titan offers a versatile and efficient solution for riders seeking a blend of performance and practicality in an electric cargo bike. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.